I great people. How are you? How are you? How are you? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Let's quickly share the link to our to our friends and family, both far and near. Let's share the link with them. Let's let's see where we're heading to this morning. So we'll wait for the next 4 minutes so that you know others can join us. While we're waiting, let's share the link to our friends and family, both far and near. Hmm, both far and near. Let's share the link with them because you might not know the favor you are doing for someone by just sharing this link on your media handles so that you can join us and benefit from this great, you know. Hmm. So let's share the link. Let's keep sharing the link, family. It has been a crazy market so far. Regardless, that's for both, in fact, for both the crypto and the forex market. You can see gold on one side that pumped to over, like it was gold was heading to like 6K, and all of a sudden you can see that gold has done from a coin that was heading to like 6K is going to below 4K. Crypto market the same thing, done from 97K way down to 75K. So so it's actually general. Both the crypto and both the forex market are actually, almost in the same page right now. Massive pump on gold to almost 6K, now at 4,000 something. Bitcoin at Bitcoin that was at 98K, now are still struggling. I'm not even sure the dump is over yet. I'm struggling at Obi, I said Bitcoin 22K. Just take us back to like um what year? 2019, 2020, when we're still seeing that something K, 40K. Take us back there. But there's not. Can you all see me clearly? You can see me clearly. Say hi in the comment section. You can see me clearly. Say hi in the comment section. You can see me clearly. Say hi in the comment section. In fact, if Bitcoin goes to 22K, that Obin has said, from that 22K, I'm not sure Bitcoin will go to 22K because just declare bull run from there. You will see buying power. This was say dem just dey blow my account both BTC and gold. So this period, like I said, when I posted something that there's nothing as crazy as slow bleeding the market. Market we know as if it's not bleeding but it's bleeding. We're entering 81, 80, 79, 78, 75. Gradually we enter 74. Slow bleeding is the worst kind of bleeding. I prefer if okay, I get your point now. I prefer if the market wants to dump, she just jump once and let us continue the ride. You get? Not that kind of slow bleeding gradually. It's crazy, I swear. It's crazy. Let's keep on sharing the link. We'll start today's section peacefully. Me, I've not really been like trading. The only trade I took was this river. And why I took river was that initially river, like even if I took that river trade, it's out of like more of like a very crazy risk. You get a very crazy risk. Basically because of how because of a zone that I've marked a long time ago. I was like, this might be worth the risk. Let me just take it peacefully. Do you get? But see the market so far, I think we just have to like, calm down. The river is a confidence killer. Because even the gold itself, gold has just been doing one kind of slow building we felt that okay, from the 5K breakout zone, maybe it will give us a retest. It did not retest though. It continued going down. I don't even know where gold is heading to right now, to be honest here. I really don't know where gold is heading to. That's why I pity those beginners out there that just started forex trading and they started trading gold. They will cry. They will cry. They will cry. They will cry, and it's not their fault. Because to be honest, even on the BTC, I don't know which of the structures some people saw that is what you see in gold that is making you trade gold in that manner. So, good morning, everybody. Let's go to today's live section quickly. I'm happy to have you all here, and if you're happy to have me, I want you to type good morning in the comment section. If you're happy to have me, I want you to type good morning in the comment section. I want you to type good morning in the comment section. If you are here with me today and today is your first time, I want you to type good morning in the comment section. If you are here with me today and today is your first time, I want you to type good morning in the comment section. Type good morning in the comment section. I celebrate you too. Good morning, Mohammed, Joy, all of you. Thanks for always being here with me. I can see my regular faces are here. Obina, Joy, where's this guy? Shege, all of you, 100% with me always. You give me the motivation I need. You understand? You all are welcome to today's live class. Happy New Month. Same to you. So let's quickly go to what we have today. I come here every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday. 30 to 45 minutes, I'm done. We talk about important topics in the market. You understand? And you know. So let me I want to talk about important topics in the market, and we try to analyze what we can analyze. We try to analyze in our own way with our own strategy, and we try to see how we can make money from it. Do you know something I just want to understand? What you know what the only thing that will pay me about this BTC dump first is that I know nobody can really say this is the bottom, but I'll be glad if I can catch the bottom of BTC. Where my bottom? I'll be glad if I can catch the next support on BTC and just hold. If I can catch that one, let's assume that the support that currently now what is holding on BTC now is 75K support. And let's assume 75K support holds now. Imagine holding Bitcoin from 75K, then the bulls now take over because after every dump there's a pump. Then the bulls now take over from this 75K here. Trust me, we're going to see Bitcoin at 90K above. Imagine holding Bitcoin from 75 to 90K above. That's a whole lot of money. But the 75K, the main support is what we are still looking at. Because lately, if you look at the daily time frame, still shows that Bitcoin is still bearish. That is on the higher time frame, it's still showing that Bitcoin is still bearish. But on the lower time frame, Bitcoin is trying to hold the 75K support. It's going from 75, 76 to 78. 75, 76 to 78. Do you understand? That's what is happening in the market right now. And I will show you graphically on the chart. But today, I quickly want to talk about higher time frame versus lower time frame. I think this is not taught enough. And many people don't know that. Because I've realized that for the past 1 week, I did a sanitation on the most occurring questions coming into my DM from individuals, that is beginners. And they were like, and people that are also like trying to use my Zoom Master AI indicator for the first time. I realized that 90% of them are gamblers. You understand? 90% of them are gamblers. They just want something that, you know, in the next 2 seconds, they are in and they are out. Don't be a 2 minutes man. Because if you rush anything that you rush will rush you. You rush in, you rush out. If you want to eat well, and I'll explain to you. You understand? So I said, and they always ask me, does it work on 15 minutes time frame? Does Zoom Master AI indicator works on 15 time frame? Does it work on? It's an indicator, it works on every time frame. But you need to know how to use it best. Let me explain. Even without Zoom Master AI indicator, you should know that higher time frame decides the market. That's actually just a basic. You rarely see me use 15 minutes time frame to even get an entry. I only use 15 minutes time frame when I'm seeing a very bullish market. I use 15, like the coin has been pumping, is bullish. I can 6 to 15 minutes time frame and look for an entry. But normal day, if I wake up in the morning, I check my daily time frame, I see market is bullish, then I check my 4 hour. Is it bullish too with the daily time frame? And if it's bullish, yes, that means I'm looking for a long. And if in that 4 hour I can actually see a long entry, I will prefer to take an entry using 4 hour before I even go and check the 1 hour time frame for an entry. I only go to 1 hour time frame when okay, 4 hour has gone, daily has gone, both bullish. Okay, what can 1 hour give me as an entry? So higher time frame, I can tell you, you can place a bet, me and anybody, or me and your mentor. The mentor should go into the market using 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, back to back. While me, I stick to 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. Less trade. Probably is going to be able to take like 20, 30 trades in like 2 weeks. I might likely take 10 trades. I might likely take 10 trades. You get. I might likely take just 10 trades. Trust me, how profitable I'll be in those 10 trades will be times 5 of how profitable will be in his 30 trades. And I'll explain how. So BUBs needs to stop looking for only grace. Start looking for how you can be profitable over time. Do you understand? So let me explain this now to you. The difference and the quality difference between um higher time frames and lower time frames. So if you are trading 5 minutes and 15 minutes only, to be honest, I will call you a gambler. If you have not traded with 1 hour or 4 hour time frame, you have been trading with only 15 minutes and 5 minutes, I'll call you a gambler because you're not trading. I'm not saying 15 minutes time frame is not good, it's okay. But I can still bet with you that there's the 20, if you take 20 trades using 15 minutes time frame, you might lose probably 12 of them. I can beat my chest on that. And those of you that are trading 5 minutes time frame, I don't know whether it's the village. You just you belong to the street, you belong to the village because you will never learn. The market is not moving because of your 5 minutes chart. It's moving because of the daily and 4 hour chart. Today, I will show you why 90% of traders lose money trading small time frames, that's lower time frame, and how higher time frame traders quietly take their money. And after this life, you will never look at the market in the same way again. So I want you all to be honest with me. Who here enters or don't be proud or anything, o, don't be shy. If you know you're here and you enter trade using the 5 minutes or 15 minutes every time, and most times or 90% of the times you use this 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame, you understand, and price immediately hits your stop loss, then goes your direction. If you are one of them, I want you to comment me in the comment section. Like you are used to using 5 minutes time frame, 2 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame, and each time you use it, the market always hits your stop loss, then goes your direction. That See, that 5 minutes time frame is the biggest confidence killer in trading. To make you look like you don't know what you're doing. It will make you look like you actually don't know what you are doing in trading. So if you are here, you have been entering with 5 minutes time frame, 10 minutes time frame, and each time price hits your stop loss, then it goes your direction. Don't be shy. It's okay, we're here to learn. Type me in the comment section because I'm here to save you. This is not a competition. We're here to talk to each other. This is not a competition. We're here to talk to each other. It's not a competition. We're here to learn from each other. We're here to learn from each other. So just type me in the comment section. Good. And so if you're one of them, this is not bad luck. That is time frame ignorance. It's not bad luck, it is time frame ignorance. Small time frames, that is lower time frames, is just noise because you enter, you close, you enter, you close, you enter, you close, you enter, you close. Too many noise from the retailers. They're looking for quick profits. Big time frames, that's higher time frames, is equals to the real direction. If you want to make smart money, you have to be patient. And let me explain something. Do you know why lower time frame is dangerous? In the lower time frame, there's so many noise in the market. In the lower time frame, so many noise in the market in the lower time frame. The signals you're seeing on the lower time frame are mostly fake, like maybe fake bombs, fake fake pumps, fake DOMs, and all of that. Then if the lower time frame tends to make you to hit stop loss frequently, you're just after your stop loss, then it then makes you very emotional. Then you make decisions you're not supposed to make. Then from that, to now make you to start over trading. Oh, I've lost a lot of money. I've lost a lot of money. Then you now start over trading. Then you're also paying trading fees and your losses are increasing. This is how dangerous using lower time frame can be. Lower time frame makes you feel very busy, but busy doesn't mean profitable. It's not about who trades the most. It's not about who enters the market the most. It's about who enters the market and who is more profitable. You see this higher time frame, this is what it can do for you. The higher time frame gives you clear direction. You instantly know if we are in the uptrend or we are in the downtrend. The higher time frame shows you pure support and resistance zone and how it actually works. Then all those unnecessary, those fake moves, sharp wicks up and down, it avoids it for you. Then if you are using the higher time frame, the higher time frame can give you 3 RR to 10 RR in one trade. Do you understand? Then it's less stressful. You don't need to stay at chat all day. You don't need to be doing your money. Hey, let me go and check my chat. No, you have placed your trades with the higher time frame. Keep your mind at rest. Let the market do its thing. Keep your mind at rest and let the market do its thing. To be honest, trading on the higher time frame is boring, but boring makes money. So whenever I wake up in the morning, like I said, the first thing I do is to check the daily time frame. And I check the daily time frame. What is it saying? Are we bullish or bearish? I check the 4 hour time frame. Is it in correlation with the daily time frame? Then I check the what do you call it, 1 hour if I can get my entry. And if I get entry on the 4 hour, I use the 4 hour time frame. So because I know the daily time frame or the 4 hour time frame is where the real trend is. That's why I'm saying that the dump on BTC, I don't think it's over yet till I can see a U-turn or a crazy pump or a change in direction from the daily or the 4 hour. That's okay. We are going to have a buy. But for now, both are giving me strong signals for a sell. In fact, there is no valid zone on BTC for me for now, except I go into the lower time frame and see what's happening currently right now in the market. And as me, I don't like trading the lower time frame, except I want to quickly scalp and run out to market. I see 15 minutes for scalp. And if you don't know how to scalp, you get wounded. Higher time frame should be the one giving you the decision in the market, telling you if you are going to long or short. See, when I started trading, I used to take 20 trades per day. Let me bust your head. When I started trading, I used to take 20 trades per day. I was always tired, always emotional, and always losing. But the day I switched to higher time frame, I started taking like 4 5 trades a week, and my profit doubled. Imagine someone who used to take 20 trades in one day. Because like I have coins on my trading view I watch, and because I use 15 minute time frame, I see entries like almost everywhere. I now realize that in a day I'm taking like 20 trades, lose like 12, 13, 15, then win small profit and you get. So but I was not that profitable. I became very profitable when I started looking trade at trading from the higher time frame. taking my trades from the higher time frame, and in a week I ended up taking like 5 6 trades. Higher time frame will make your trade boring, but trust me, you'll be very very profitable. And most of my big wins come from daily and 4 hour setup. Most of my big wins come from the daily and from the 4 hour setup, not 5 minutes or 15 minutes. So if you're asking me, crypto pastor, what's your secret? My secret is typically trading the higher time frame. So if I know if I want to win, I win well. If I want to lose, I lose well. But my winning rate is higher than my losing rate. That's what really matters. So if you are always glued to your screen, if you are always glued to your screen, you're actually trading like a retail trader. Real traders check charts at least 3 times a day, just 3 times a day. So the higher time frame structure is exactly how I build my setups and signals, and that's why my trades are calm and precise. So if you want to trade like this, structured, not gambling, you need a system and not guesses. You need a system and not guesses. So I'll quickly show you what I let me show you something on the trading view. Let me share my screen. Let's see what's going on Bitcoin and how I'm still sticking to the fact that the market is still very bearish on Bitcoin and how I do my thing. Let's go to the so currently now like this, Master AI trading indicator is activated on this on Bitcoin on daily time frame. As you can see, this was the entry. This was like this Master is actually on. Now 86K here, 86K here, 86K here was the support. Remember when I used to talk about 86K, we were going from 86 to 94, 86 to 94, 86 to 97 before the massive dump. Now look at the massive dump here. And you can see now, you can see that clearly Bitcoin has broken this support that has been holding since over 3 months. Bitcoin broke it down. Now Bitcoin is not even forming any like support level or anything. You see, it broke it peacefully. Bitcoin is not even forming anything here again. There's no support to prove whatever is holding on Bitcoin. Now, if you go to the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame too, you can see it's actually very bearish, very very bearish. In fact, it's not even like you can see that when Bitcoin when you can see here. Let me show you something. When Bitcoin broke that 86K support here, immediately Master gave us an entry at 85,916. Though it did not touch this entry, it means they call this a missed entry because it was like it broke down, tried to retest that resistance, but it could not retest the resistance. You get, and it continued going down. Now you can see that this is a free fall. So for now, I've not seen any structure. This is still a very bearish market to me. You can see just that You can see daily is bearish. 4 hour is still bearish. It's trying to even form a bullish candle, but this is still a very bearish. This candle has not formed yet, so it's still bearish. So that's why I see that the market is not over. The dump might not be over yet. Till this 4 hour can either form a very strong bullish candle, close bullish before we can consider. We can see that this is a bearish market. Then if I want to look at what is now going on in the market within the 15 minutes time, what the market is now seeing within the 15 minutes time frame, you can go to the 15 minutes time frame and let's see. Okay, you can see Zero Master has given us an entry on the 15 minutes time frame. You see what I'm saying? So 75, like you see, I've not even checked the market, but I already know what is going on. You can see that from the 15 minutes time frame, after this massive dump, the market has been maintaining 75K up to 78K, but it's not. All this is just for scalps because the market have not proven to us that it is actually very rich. You can see. So if you took your entry, just like Master gave us here, if you actually took your entry from 75K, it has pumped to like 76K to 77K and already in profit. You understand? But this one is, I call it like a scalp because this is not confident enough. You get when daily is showing bearish, 4 hour is showing bearish, any pump in the market just a relief pump because we are still going to go down. We are still going to continue going down. Any other pump market just like a relief pump. So understand? Just like a relief pump. The 1 hour time frame is waiting for us to short at 81K. But the market doesn't look like it's coming to 81K because if you look at the 1 hour time frame now, you can see what's happening in the market here. This is the trend. This is the trend. Up, down, up. This is what is going on in the market right now. The master self is still telling us that the master is still telling us that the market is still there because if we follow the trend, even the like latest trend now, follow the trend now gradually, you will see. Remember I told you no story, no trade. So I'm not still convinced enough that you can see up, down, up, down, except the market can just, I don't know, they can be news or something, break above. Then we can say okay, but for now, this is a bearish trend. You can see I don't even need to do too much. This is a bearish trend. I remember I told you even in a bearish market, you can still see opportunities for a long. You can still see up like 75K to 78K, 75K, you understand? But in a nutshell, the market is still bearish. Till the daily time frame can show me bullish, like show me that okay, it's ready to go up. Show me a bullish candle, something like this, a bullish candle, a hair. As okay, we're ready to for a pump, but now it's still showing red, bearish. So when you can anything you're seeing here, any pump you're seeing here, take your profit and be happy with it. Any pump you're seeing, because this market is still very bearish. You understand? So that's it. That's it for the market. That's it for the market. This forex coin, I traded this coin. I like the coin movement, but it's kind of very slow. Initially, I first made profit from this coin from the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame gave me an entry here. The 4 hour time frame gave me an entry here initially at 209, and I made profit to like 212. But now I think the support has changed. You understand? And this is where it is now, creating a new support here, heading to the other thing. This place was take profit one before, but when the market structure changed, tapped here, and continued going, made this place a new support zone. You can see how Zone Master is trying to like let you see what is going on in the market. It's like GPP, JPY. You can see how you understand. Because some people ask me, does Zone Master trading indicator works on Forex? I think it works. As long as the coin is on trading view, it works. This was the first place I heard this coin from 209 to 212. I just checked it now again. It's created a new support here. So the market has been ranging around here. It's at 211, 212, come back to 211, 212. So let's see what happens from here. You understand? See the stop loss. So I just showed you exactly how how um how profitable you can be sticking to the higher time frame, how profitable you can be sticking. So if you have any questions, you can quickly ask me now on how those people that are having issues with entering into the market, you understand, in the time using how you can enter the market best, how you can get your entry. Now is the time for you to ask me your questions. Ask me your questions. Ask me your questions. You can see how I clearly use Zomaster to make my decisions. In less than 5 10 minutes, I've been able to like talk about Bitcoin, talk about GPP, JPY, look at 1 or 2 coins, showed you exactly what I did and how I did, what is going on in the market. You understand? Both for the forex and the crypto. As for gold, I really don't want to look at gold for now because I don't know where gold is heading to. But it's just so clear that gold is enjoying its way down. Gold is actually enjoying its way down. I don't know who offended gold. I really don't know who offended gold. That gold is enjoying its way down. So if you have any questions, when gold decide to settle down, I will know what I will do to gold. You understand? But that's if I don't trade gold, there are other pairs I can trade and make money. Do you understand me? So you can quickly ask me your questions if you have have any question. Or is there any issue you are facing? My DM is open to you so we can talk about it. Do you understand? So let's see. If you are a scalper, you can scalp Bitcoin just like I analyzed for you. You can scalp Bitcoin from 75, 74K, probably 76, 77K, and just take little profit and be happy. But for now, every both Bitcoin market and the what's it call it, the gold market is bearish. So what you should look out for is sell. Look for sell. Look for how you can, you know, short the market, but not just shorting at any point. Make sure the market comes to an entry that it has touched and has created a structure to know, okay, this is a valid short position. You understand? So to those who are yet to get access to my Zone Master ARG indicator, you can just chat me up on WhatsApp. You can chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll give you access. I'll tell you how you go about it. It's this coin I've made profit from too. Probably Let's see how it goes. Just go back to entry again, like card CHF. Let me share my screen with you. Let me share my screen with you. Let me share my screen with you. So if you look at the daily time frame on this coin card here, CHF, you can see on daily time frame when you go to this entry here, it dumped massively back to take profit one. And notice that each time this coin dump to take profit one, it goes back up. Dump to take profit one, it goes back up. You can see. So I actually use the 1 hour time frame because it's clearly that this is a bullish candle that closed bullish. This is actually a bullish candle here that closed bullish, which makes this zone, this take profit one zone a very strong support zone, even without you know doing looking too much. This makes a very strong support zone. Yet this makes a very strong support zone if you look at it clearly on day time frame. Now if the day time frame is kind of bullish, though it's retracing a little bit, but it has closed bullish. This is a nice bullish candle here, close bullish and creating another bullish candle, but it's rejecting here. But still on still, I still stick to it being bullish because it's okay for market to go up, come down, and continue movement. Then I use the 1 hour time frame to look for an entry. As you can see now, this was the entry Zone Master gave to me. Yeah, this was the entry Zone Master gave to me. At least initially, my MT5, I took the coin, I took the trade from here initially, and it still stands. I took this trade from here and it pumped here, then went back down. Yeah, it bumped straight to TP1. And now we're here, I think we're at entry now. We are currently at the same entry again. Coins are back, the coin has hit TP1 and is back to entry. So let's see what happens from on this coin from here to here. Let's see what happens from this coin here. So let's see. So the first time I made profit from here and it pumped here, and now it's back to that entry here. So let's see what happens from here on this coin. Let's see if it's going to go back to TP1. May the market decide. Checking from daily time frame, showing us that okay, it closed bullish and formed another bullish candle here. You get closed bullish and formed another bullish candle here. So let's see if it's the market is all about story. Market is all about story. Let's see what if what I did the first time happens again. You understand? Let's see how it goes. Huh. That being said and done, yes, mine is showing bit stamp because no on trading view. See on trading view, yeah. Yes, trading view has different brokers or has different how do I make you understand this thing now? Your broker, FXCM broker, is different from the broker I'm checking on trading view. You can check gold, you see gold oando, gold this. All brokers have their own prices. You can see a coin probably on, let me just say, let me go to crypto now. A coin on crypto might be at 19, and that crypto and that exchange, you can see that coin at 19,100. So that's how it happens sometimes. So it depends on where I am viewing from in my trading view, on the broker I'm viewing from on my trading view. You can see maybe on Bybit now, on trading view Bybit, you can see Bitcoin at maybe 89, like maybe at 77,500. On Bybit, on trading view Binance, you can see Bitcoin be at maybe 77,400. Like you see some slight differences. You get, so that's it. So this is actually how you can trade in the higher time frame and why you as a beginner should stick to using the higher time frame. So since there is no question, I'm going to call it a day. Thank you all for attending to this class. Let's trade safely. You understand? Let's try to trade safely and ignore the noise and stick to what the higher time frame is telling us. Today I'm going to observe the market. If I have opportunity to scalp, I will scalp. I will scalp if I can scalp, and if I'm going to scalp, I'm going to scalp like smartly. So, is there any other questions? If there's none, we're going to call it a day. Thank you all for being here. Thank you all for being here. So, if you need access to the Zone Master, like I said, you can chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll tell you how to go about it. And let's always come to market together and learn from each other. Once again, if today's class you have learned something from today's class, I want you to type HTF. If you understand what higher time frame is, I want you to type HTF in the comment section. For Fashola Sadiq, you say you don't know why you can't take a trade on BTC with $5 on lower leverage select. Maybe it's number one, I don't know the exchange you are using. One, I don't know the exchange you're using, and I don't know the fees they're charging you. So these are the things you need to look at because on any exchange you're using, they have their fees, trading fees, charges, and everything, and the leverage. So probably you can come into my DM, then we can check this together so I can know how to sort your problem. You understand? So if you have benefited from today's class, I want to type HTF. HTF means higher time frame. So that from today henceforth, you will stick to using the higher time frame so you stop crying every day that so and so is always eating your stop loss. So if you are here and you always overtrade, I want you to say hi in the comment section. If you are here and you always overtrade, say hi in the comment section. If you are an overtrader, if you have not taken like 50 trades in one day, say hi. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. If you are an overtrader, say hi. I used to be one, oh, so me, I'll say hi. I used to be an overtrader before. 20 trades per day or nothing first. If it's not 20 trades, I'm not taking trade. 20 trades per day. If you're an overtrader, I want you to say hi in the comment section. This month of February, we're going to make money. I even like as markets, both gold and Bitcoin. I like as the market has dumped. No wahala, shake it now. But let's now finish creating because anything that will make the market peak back up, trust me, it's up only. That's what I used to like. So I'll be targeting those sweet support, sweet resistance, targeting them. You understand? That's what I so let the market enjoy. I want to ask you a question. Do you prefer 50 small trades to two big wins? Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer 50 small trades to two big wins? Do you prefer 50 small trades to two big wins? At least let me just have like let me have like two massive wins then than to have like to take 20 trades and 100 stop losses. Abeg just give me two big wins, shey let me rest abeg. I don't like stress. I don't like stress and come with my daily activities, peace of mind. So that's that for today's class. We go again on Wednesday same time. We go again on Wednesday same time. I'm going to show you again that Wednesday. I'm also going to show you my zone strategy in the next live. Like one of my biggest strategy, I'll show you in the next live class. Thank you all for being here with me. God bless you. Shege, Obin, and my fans, Joy. I see you all. David, you all are welcome. I appreciate you all for being here. MVPs. Don't worry, we are making money. I promise you guys that this February we'll make money. I know all of you are my VIP, so no issue. Don't worry, we'll print Doris. It's very important to print the Doris. It's very important. Don't worry. Just stay tuned, relax. I see you all on the inside. Have a wonderful day.